This conference will now be recorded.
Hello guys, very good evening for all. I hope you all are well and doing good. So guys, am I audible for all properly? Is also my screen visible for you? Please confirm. All right, great. So in the last session, we have discussed and covered the cost center cost category and also the predefined cost center topic. If you guys have any doubt, any query from that topic, you can ask. If you don't have, then let me know so that we can move on to the next topic. We can create, there is no such a number to create the cost center classes. We can create as we have need for that. There is no limit. we cannot delete that particular ledger. If you have used the ledger in any of the transaction, you cannot delete that. First, you have to delete the transaction entry. Only after that you can delete the ledger, because that ledger is used in a transaction. For that reason, we can't delete that. If you want to delete a ledger, first delete the entry, then you can delete the ledger only in that case. All right, guys, so let's move on to the next. The next topic is the stock item creations. We have to know how we have to create the stock items in the Tally software company. So let's say, for example, we have these opening stock from the last closing financial year, and we have to create this as the opening stock. Okay. So what we have to do, it is very simple to create the stock items in the Tally software. You can see the item name is given here. The group is provided here of the stock item. The category is given. Quantity is available here. Okay. Group basically define the product that which type of group of this file have. If I talk about the category, they are called the stock categories in the Tally software. Item name called the stock items. So, and unit. Unit of measure will be in pieces, kg, grams, milligrams, boxes, bottles, whatever it is called the unit of measures. A godown or warehouse, a location in which we store the products, and the rate. So if you come in the Tally software and click on the create option, you will find these options in the inventory masters like stock group, stock category, stock items, unit, and the location. So what we have to do first, we have to create the stock group. The stock group is given in this example, it is hardware. So click on the stock group and put the name as hardware. Then should quantities of items be added? This option we have to yes. I will let you know later why we have to activate this option. Save that. The second group is for software. Duplicate groups we don't have need to create, just create groups only one time. After that, we have to create the category. Category will be the output device. Click on the stock category option and press the name and save that. Same like this, create the other categories like application software. Then input device. We have created the stock group and stock category. Are these two clear for all guys? If they are clear, then kindly try to create these stock group and the stock category by your own. When you're done, then let me know. All right, guys, I hope you have created the stock group and the stock category. The next is we have to create the unit. After the stock group and the stock category, we have to create the unit of measures. Click on the unit of measures option. Then in the symbol, type the symbol of your unit. We are using the unit here is in pieces. So select the piece. Formal name. Formal name is not the mandatory thing. It's optional. Formal name will be the full name of your symbol unit. Like we can type the full name of our unit. Number of decimal places. This we can use if we are using the quantity in the decimals like 1.2, 2.1, 2.12. So as per that, the decimal numbers comes up here. Then simply save it by Control A. After that, let's create the location or the go down. Location we have is New Delhi here. So click on the location option. Click on create new and create a location by the name New Delhi. The address we can fill here if we have available. If we don't have, we can skip by Control A, save this. So we have created the stock group, stock category, unit of measurement, and the location or the go down. If you guys have any doubt or query in these, you can ask. All right, I'm explaining that from the starting. Let me delete those which we have created. To delete the things, you have to just go for the alter Unit creation clear, guys? All right. Now let's create the go down or the location. Click on the location or go down option. Click on create new. Type the location. We have a Delhi, New Delhi here. Address we can fill if we have available. Suppose we have available this one address, so we can fill that. Okay, just save that by Control A. By this way, we can create the go downs as well. Now, after creating all these things, we have need to create the stock items. So before we go for the stock item creation, kindly have a look on these which we have created, the group, category, unit, and the location go down. If you have any confusion, then please let me know. If you don't have, also let me know so that we can discuss the next. If the address is not coming in the go down or location creation, you guys have to press F12 in the go down creation option. Click on F12 or press F12 or click on this configure option and activate this option, this one. Use address for locations. This option you have to activate if you want to fill the address for your go down. Now guys, let's see how we have to create the stock item. Click on the stock item option in the create name, type the stock item name. We have first stock item by the name HP printer. Alias is an optional, a short name or nickname. If you want to provide, you can give here. If you don't, you can skip. In the under, you have to select the group of your stock item. So HP printer stock item group is for hardware. Select the group hardware. Then it is asking for the unit. You can see here it is not asking for the stock category. So basically, to select the stock category in the stock item creation, we have to activate one option. Press F12 on this is same screen and activate this one. Use stock category for stock items. This option we have to yes, I'm highlighting that. You guys please note. After activating the option, simply press Ctrl A to save that. Then you will see the category option is coming here. If this option is not coming, I'm explaining once again, you have to press F12 and activate this option. Use stock category for stock items. So after selecting the group in the under option, press enter. Then it will ask you to select the category. Select the respective category for the stock item. HP printer is have output device category. So select output device in the category option. Then it will ask you to select the unit. Unit is given in the pieces. So select the pieces. After that, you have to put the opening stock. So we have 100 pieces as quantity. So fill 100 pieces here, press enter. Then it will ask you to select the location. Location we have New Delhi. Then fill the rate of the stock item. The rate of the stock item is given as 3500. So put this rate here. After pressing enter, you will see the amount will come automatically. The amount is coming here automatically after typing the quantity and the rate. And that's it. Press enter and save this by Ctrl A. This is how, guys, the stock item we have to create. Okay. Okay, first we have to activate the option for the additional charges. After that, we can pass the stock transfer entry. You can note the steps, guys. Just put a heading in your notes how to activate additional cost option for stock journal voucher. So guys, to activate that option, we have to click on the alter option. Then click on voucher type. Step 2, click on voucher type. Step 3, select stock journal voucher. After coming in the option, click on voucher type and select here stock journal voucher. Step 4, activate below option. The option is this one, which you have to activate here. This one, track additional cost for purchases. This option we have to yes. You guys can note these steps. All right, guys, after activating the option, save that by Control A. Then we have to create the additional cost lesser. So it is transportation charges. We will create that ledger in the create option. Transportation charges are going to be used at the time of transferring the product. So it will go under the direct expenses. Any expense which will be occurred at the time of purchasing, manufacturing or transferring, those will be the direct expenses. Since we are not going to use the cost centers for this expense, we have to deactivate the cost center option for this ledger. Okay, so click on the more details option and deactivate the cost center applicability. Now save that by Control A. Now we can pass the transfer of material entry in the stock journal voucher. So guys, till this point, is everything clear? Should we go further? All right. Simply go for the vouchers and select stock journal. Put the date first. The date is here, 1st July. In the source location, select the items and the go down which we are transferring. So first item is LG LCD monitor. Select that. Here, press space bar and you have to select the location. So the source location for the stock item is New Delhi. Select that. Fill the quantity. You can see the quantity option is coming. We have to fill the quantity here. We are transferring